Hello students, today we are going to see NCRT example problem, exercise problem, class 10 physics. Okay, the problem number 12th problem we are going to discuss. It is a book bag problem from electricity term 2 syllabus we are going to discuss. Actually, the voltage is 220, power is 10 volt. Okay, many lamps is connected in parallel. Okay, 220 volt. The current is flowing, maximum flowing is a 5 ampere. Okay, now we'll see how to find the solution. Okay. This is a exercise problem, book bag, class 10 physics. Okay, first we'll see what is given in the question. N number of bulb is connected in parallel. N number of bulb, they don't know how many bulb they are connecting in parallel. Okay, each ohms also they don't know. Okay, the maximum current is flowing 5 ampere. The voltage is applied 220 volt. Okay, the voltage is applied in a circuit 220 volt. 220 volt. Okay, so the number of resistance they are connecting in parallel, they don't know. How many N is going to be the question mark. Okay, so what is how many number of the resistance in parallel? How many resistance in parallel? That only is a question mark. Okay, power is given as a 10 watt. Okay, voltage is 220, current is 5 ampere. Okay, now in parallel voltage is constant. Okay, it is a parallel circuit, the voltage remains constant. Okay, now I am going to calculate how many number of resistance is connected in parallel. That's only a question mark. Okay, so the total voltage is 220. Okay, total current is 5 ampere. Okay, what is the total resistance? Total resistance according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. R is equal to V by I. Okay, V is how much? 220. I is how much? 5. Okay, so the resistance of the circuit is going to be called as a 44 ohms. Okay, this get cancelled means we'll have 44 ohms. This is called total resistance. Okay, total resistance. Actually, the total resistance we found now. Okay, what about the individual resistance? That also we should find. Okay, N number of resistance is connected in parallel. This is a question mark. N number of resistance is connected in parallel. I don't know how many resistance is connected in parallel. Okay, power on each 10 watt. Okay, the resistance on each we don't know. The voltage applied across this 220. Okay, the voltage remain constant in parallel. Okay, so I used power formula V square divided by R, I square R, VI. Okay, these are the power formula. This is a formula you can use when the circuit is connected in series. Okay, in parallel. Okay, this is for parallel. This formula for series. Okay, now I'll be using with the parallel formula. Power is equal to V square divided by R. Okay, power is equal to V square divided by R. This is R on each. Okay, each resistance. Okay, because everything 10 volt sorry 10 watt 220 volt, so resistance on each is going to be V square divided by P. V is going to be 220 whole square, 220 into 220 divided by 10. Will 10 get cancelled? 22 into 22, 484. So 484 0. Okay, 4808 4840 ohms. So this is going to be called as each resistance. Okay, already I mentioned total resistance 44, each resistance this much. Okay, this is connected in parallel. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 dot plus till n number. Okay, x n by R 1 by Rp. Okay, what is total resistance? 44. 1 by 44. What is n value? We don't know. What is each resistance? 4840. Okay, if you are cancelling this, n is going to be 484 divided by 44, 110. The number is going to be 110. Each value is 484, 4840. Okay, each is 4840. Okay, the total net value is going to be 44. Okay, so that means this many bulbs has to be connected in parallel to get the current is 5 ampere. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you everyone.